Wala ka cellphone siguro, nahuli ka. Kaya
when you feel too weak to carry on, just take a breath and lift your eyes. There's a light beyond the cloudy skies. Keep going for life and don't give up the fight. Every heartbeat's a spark, every dream's your right. Through the highs and lows, we rise and grow. Keep going for life, let your spirit show.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we show.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ever Earlier. Another day, another vlog. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Panoorin hanggang dulo. Join me guys up until the end. Let's go guys. Enjoy and have fun while watching my video. After a few minutes of walking, and here is my food before we are heading to I just want to share with you guys, the CR has a big mirror in front of you while you are in the CR. Here we go! Dahil busog much na guys, lakad-lakad muna tayo pag may time para magaan po yung ating pakiramdam. Ayan. Hindi muna tayo sa paligid while walking. And yung sister ko guys, kung naingay hindi niyo alam yan. Pasyal muna tayo guys ha. Pasyal ko muna kayo. By the way, andito po tayo sa One Ayala Mall in Makati. Alam mo na, favorite spot po ng aking kapatid and nephew. After 5 or 6 minutes of walking, andito na po tayo. As usual, this is my second time here at Makati Shangri-La Hotel. Thank you so much, Doc Rona. And we're here now. Finally. By the way, this is our room. Let's go, guys. Ito ko po kayo. As usual, nakita niyo na po. Same design lang po yan. Just like when we're here, nakapunta na po kami dito. But the difference is we're on the top. We're on the 22nd floor. Ayan po yung view at night. Makati Shangri-La Hotel. This is the bed. This is it. Oh, relax. Me and my sister. At syempre, nakapag-freshen up na tayo. Let's take a look, guys. Minsan lang po mangyayari sa buhay natin na makapag-relax ng ganito. Kaya natapos. Ganito yung ako. It's free. Kura tayo, guys. Just go. Because I'm so tired, and as you all know, we all need to relax, feel, and feel that you are in a so quiet and relaxing place, and you feel like you're at home for a night or two, diba guys? Feel mo lang na mag-enjoy ka, relax ka, dali lang kahit na saglit lang. At least you experience a room like this, a 5-star hotel like this. And yes, very relaxing yan. Ang sarap ng tulog ko dito guys. I feel like I'm a princess. And of course, we all need to drink water. And the good thing about the water is it's not plastic bottle, but it's a glass bottle. I like it, guys. Cheers to the water. Time for us to sleep, guys. Kaya, since it's so cold, guys, ginamit po namin yung robe kasi alam mo naman ng mga lamigin. It's cold. Kaya manipis po yung mga dala namin na pagtulog. So thin and it's not that comfy. So we use the robe while we sleep. Good morning, Philippines. All of you. Morning. Morning view at the Shangri-La. While my sister is taking a bath habang naliligo po siya. Ayan. Kuha-kuha pag may time, guys. Ayan. Oh. Ulit muna tayo ulit. Kasi last day na po eh. Enjoy natin. Hindi natin alam kung kailan na naman natin may experience ang ganito. Vacation, guys. Nalibre lang. And thanks to Dr. Rona. Ito. Take a shower and here we are. We have to take breakfast today. Shangri-La Hotel. Yan. While waiting for my turn, ayan, bidi-bidi muna tayo, guys. Up. Wala tayo ng food. And ito na po yung food ko. Bacon filling. Good. And also, I have black coffee. Hindi po yan mawawala kay Ethel Rivera. Black coffee in the morning. Let's eat more carbo. I have waffle here. I have lost red and tart. Carbo load. Pag my time. It's time for me to eat. It's time for us to eat. Eating time. Eating while chit-chatting with my sister. And the last time that we're here, hindi na na-enjoy yung food because she bring her work while eating. Kaya ngayon, na-enjoy niya na. So much talaga as in grabe yung nakain namin. Pinulit po namin yung buffet breakfast namin dito. Sama kita siyang alahudan. So good guys, pero wala na pong mapaglagyan ng ating tummy guys for the food. It's dessert time. Napili ko po is mangosteen and banana. And I have tea here kasi para mabawasan yung lumiit yung tummy natin. And of course, dessert plus green tea. Breakfast buffet is done. So, ikot-ikot pag may time. Room around guys para bumabalik kinain ulit. Breakfast buffet. Alam nyo guys, stolen lang po lagi yung mga kuha natin. Kaya pong mag-vlog, wala pong nag-video doon. Nakaw. This is it, the famous view if you're inside. The stairs and the ceiling and all. This is their signature. Visit this hotel. Is the one that if you wanna have a picture or photo, po tayo ng mga clips and picture po tayo. Of course, meron pa akong magaling na photographer. Samantalahin natin guys, maganda po yung picture sa atin. Kasi pag tayo lang kukuha, din maganda. This is the view guys. Ito po yung picture for the thumbnail. And paintings, the ceiling, chandeliers. Purple nila yan. And explore more pa po tayo guys. And let's go. Puntahan muna natin ang kanilang amenities. This is the hindi po natin pinupuntahan. We did not reach this. Very ano lang po, small lang po yung kanilang area. Ayan po yung makikita niya. Unlike po dun sa EDSA, ang laki ng area. May Olympic size. And yun lang po yung difference nila. yung yung relaxing pa rin. Kahit saglit lang, at least naka-experience tayo. Puro tayo dito sa areas. So, done na po tayo sa pasilip po sa kanilang amenities and food area. And going back na po sa aming Tapos po yung time namin, hindi ko naman actually tapos. May work pa kasi yung sister ko. Stulite Hotel.
Ayan, we're done. Goodbye, room. Goodbye, queue. Wala kang cellphone siguro, nahuli ka.
Happiness is over. Back to reality. Ayan. Binok niya po ako ng Grab. And it's time for me to go home. And going home na rin po siya. So, that's it for today, guys. So, sharing with you my so quick staycation with my sister at Makati Shangri-La Hotel. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more places to watch, for more videos to watch. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Evan Alira here is signing off.